Alright, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Starbucks caramel frappuccino. So first of all, you might want to know what a Starbucks caramel frappuccino actually is. So it's when you have buttery caramel syrup that meets coffee, milk, and ice in a blender. Then you will top it off with whipped cream and caramel sauce. Or you can change it up and try it affogato style, which is by you just add an affogato style shot, and that is a hot espresso shot poured right over the top. Things you will need in order to make your Starbucks caramel frappuccino. So you will need cold coffee, milk, caramel sauce, ice, whipped cream, and obviously it doesn't take a genius to figure this out, but you will need a blender. Step 1. You will first need to place the liquids, and if you don't know what a liquid is, it is coffee and milk. And you'll put it into the blender and blend on low. Step 2, you will need to add caramel sauce and ice to the blender and blend it on low once again. Step 3, you will then need to blend these ingredients until it is smooth or the texture that you prefer. Step 4, you will then need to take caramel sauce and drizzle it around the cup, which you will be using later. Step 5, this is optional, but I mean, who doesn't love Ready Whip? So after you have blended your mixture, you will pour it into the cup, and then you will top it with Ready Whip and caramel sauce. And your final step is obviously you will now need to drink it. You're not just going to waste it. So yeah, just enjoy your frappe. But if you don't want to get in trouble, you might want to remember to clean up your mess. These are my references.